Hi, this is Victoria from ChipBot, and today I'll be showing you how to install ChipBot on your HubSpot site. You're first going to start by copying the code, then heading on over to your dashboard in HubSpot. From here, you'll click on Marketing, Website, and then Website Pages. Once you're on this page, you'll click on any of the pages you want, and then click on Edit. Now, there is two ways to add ChipBot onto your HubSpot site. There's one that actually just adds in an HTML module, and there's one that adds a rich text module. We're not going to be talking about the HTML one today, simply because it doesn't work on all themes. So with that being said, you're going to go all the way down to your footer, click into it, open in Global Content Editor, and then close your theme module, go to Common Modules, add in the rich text, click on the advanced source code, get rid of the text that's there, add in ChipBot, save changes, publish the 6 assets, publish. All right, and then when you go to your site and you refresh your page, ChipBot will be in the corner for you. If you need any help or have any questions, please email us at support@getchipbot.com.